Hey, this is Mariam from Crochet Chilpul, and today we want to learn how to crochet this grapefruit coaster. I used these 3 colors of yarns: pink, yellow, white, 4mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started. To begin, make a magic ring with your yellow and make 6 single crochets inside the ring. At the end of the row, pull this short tail to close off the ring, then cut the yarn and pull it out and thread your needle. We should make a slip stitch to the first single crochet. So from the back side of both loops of the first single crochet, insert your needle like this and pull it. Then insert it into the back loop of your last stitch right here. This way it will be something like other stitches and you'll hide the beginning and the end of the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull this tail. You should have 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then hide this short tail at the back of your project back and forth to secure it. Next row, grab your pink and insert your hook into any of those stitches, make a small knot and pull the yarn through. Take this short tail and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Make 2 double crochets into the same stitch, so you'll have 3 double crochets in total. Make 3 double crochets in each stitch all the way along. You should have 18 stitches at the end. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the 3rd chain of those 3 chains that we had at the beginning of the row. Pull this loop up, turn your project, insert your hook into the same stitch, because this way we'll hide the slip stitch. Grab the loop and pull it through like this, and turn your project again. Into the same stitch, make 1 single crochet plus 2 chains, and this counts as our first double crochet. Make another double crochet into the same stitch, 1 double crochet in next, 2 in next, and 1 in next, and repeat the process to the end. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into that 2nd chain. The way I taught you, make a slip stitch, pull up this loop, turn your project, insert your hook into the same stitch, grab the loop, and pull it through, and then turn your project. Make a double crochet into the same stitch. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make another double crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches and repeat the process. 2 in next, 2 separate double crochets, 2 in next, 2 separate double crochets till you finish the row. At the end of the row, cut the yarn, pull it out and thread your needle. Insert it from the back side of the second chain of that single crochet plus 2 chains, pull it out and insert it into the back loop of your last double crochet. This way we want to hide the end of our project. Pull it and hide it at the back of your project, back and forth. Next row, grab your white, make a knot, and insert your hook into any of those stitches. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Chain 1 and make a single crochet into the same stitch. Make another single crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. And take this short tail along with you to hide, and repeat the process till we next 3 separate single crochets, till we next 3 separate single crochets. At the end of the row, cut the yarn and pull it out, then thread your needle. Insert it from the back side of your first single crochet like this and pull it, and then insert it into the back loop of your last single crochet like this. Then hide it at the back of your project, back and forth. I'll weave in all ends and we'll be back. Make a knot with your yellow and insert your hook into any of the stitches. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Chain 1 and make 2 single crochets into the same stitch. 1 and pull this short tail to tighten it. 2. Then make 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And repeat the process. 2 single crochets in next, 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first single crochet like what we did with white, then cut the yarn and hide it at the back of your project, back and forth. The last step is to thread your needle with white and create the lines like what I do. At the end, weave in both ends invisibly. Be careful not to be visible from the right side. And do the same thing for the other strand and cut the ends at the end. I wove in all ends and our grapefruit coaster is ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write your comments down below, turn on post notifications and share it with your friends. See you in next tutorials. Bye!